Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically use keyframes on CapCut PC and where you can find them. So you can do a lot with keyframes actually. You can zoom in and out. So for instance, in position and size you can do a lot, but I like to just scale. For instance, like right about here, I'm going to add another keyframe here. Then I'll add one here because I don't want to scale it just like now. So you'll have this sort of like animation, I guess, of like zooming in here. Oof, the camera's a little bit shaky if I'm being honest with you, but that's one. And then we have one for like opacity. For instance, you want to create like a fade in. So make the opacity from 0 to like 100% to create this fade in effect. You can also do it with effects as well. So let's see, which one should I? This Betamax effect, I'll just add that on. So here maybe I'm going to make it like super blurry at the end. So I'm just going to add like a keyframe here on blur, and then like right about here I'm going to then make it super blurry. You can do that. You can also do it with like the opacity of it, but only some effects does that. I'm not sure if filter has, okay, filter also has some keyframes. So again, maybe you want the strength to be right about 0 here, and like at the end you want to show the filter a little bit. Okay, this doesn't really show much of a difference, so let's make like another one so you guys can actually see the difference. What about this one? Okay, this one kind of put it to 0. And then here I want to have it to 100%, and you can see the color is kind of changing. You can use the keyframes in many ways: animations, effects, filters. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!